So just close the door. It's pretty. And then my choice is in your freezer. I think. Yes, my fresh choice. So this is 2 doors. You can have just the one door open because they are separate refrigerators. An easy glide. It slides in, slides out. Each door has one of these on all the way. So you can have extra stuff in there. There's a lot of storage room in this fridge or freezer. This My Fresh Choice drawer has a different temperature to the rest of the freezer, which is really weird. So this is your Fresh Choice. How weird is that? I mean, you can have it the same temperature if you want. And this is the freezer section, like the really cold bit. But the My Fresh Choice is currently what does the booklet say? -18. No, -18 is the freezer. The -7. So half of the freezer is at -7. That is at -18. I can change it so that they're both at -18 if I want to use them both as a freezer. But I think that's more for like things that don't quite need to be as cold.